Welcome students, I am Neeti Bhardwaj and today we will be starting the 6th chapter of Geography for class 10th and the chapter is Manufacturing Industries. Now before starting this chapter, just imagine a day in your life that it happens like this. You got up in the morning from your bed, took bath, wore clothes and just drank tea or juice in a glass. You didn't eat the parathas as you were getting late. You saw that your mother was wearing a beautiful gold necklace, but you ran out. You took your bike, but it didn't start as it had no petrol. You ran towards your school on the road. Right? So this is an imaginary situation in your life. Many a times this happens. Now I have underlined some words in this. If you see these words, bed, then clothes, and after that tea or juice, then glass, parathas, and after that it is gold, necklace, gold necklace, and after that it is a bike, then it is petrol, school and road. Now when you get up from your bed, or just say that there are so many things here that you use for doing different things. Otherwise also we see so many things around us. Now here, when we say bed, from where do we get this bed? We say that whatever we use, we get it from nature. Nature gives us everything. But nature gives us everything in a certain form, in certain shape. But when we say bed, does nature provide us bed as it is made? It may be made of wood, or it may be made of like iron, right? Then if we say clothes, so does nature provide us clothes as they are stitched in the form we wear them? No. We get cotton from nature, from which the clothes are made. The tea or juice you drink, they are not provided in the form we use them. We get from nature tea leaves or fruits. Then glass, it may be made of glass as such, or it may be made of steel or say aluminium. Then parathas, which nature from where? किसी पेड़ पे लगे नहीं होते पराठा, कहीं जाके हम किसी माइन में से नहीं ला सकते. What are parathas made of? Wheat flour. ठीक है. Then gold necklace, it is made of gold. Necklace बना बनाया हमें कहीं नेचर से नहीं मिलता. It has to be given a shape. Bike, steel may be used in it. हो सकता है iron भी हो उसमें, rubber भी होती है. ठीक है, so many things are there. Petrol, जब हम पेट्रोल कहते हैं तो पेट्रोल जिस तरह से जिस फॉर्म में हम उसको यूज करते हैं Nature doesn't provide us that petrol in that form. Nature gives us crude oil. And when we say school, this building is not given by nature. Humans have to make it, prepare, build that, say, building. उसमें बहुत कुछ लगा होता है, सीमेंट है, उसमें ब्रिक्स होंगी, राइट, सो मेनी थिंग्स, वुड होगी, आयरन होगा, बहुत कुछ लगा होता है. देन रोड ऑन विच यू रन और वी एवरीबडी वॉक्स, तो उसमें हमें पता है कोल टार है, बहुत सामान होगा उसमें, स्टोन्स भी होते हैं, सब कुछ होता है, ठीक. सो द थिंग्स दैट वी यूज, they are not provided to us in the same form as we use them. These are made from certain raw materials. These raw materials are provided to us by nature. और ये जो चीजें हैं, these are finished goods. These are finished goods, and these raw materials are provided by nature. Are provided by nature. Okay. Now, if these raw materials are lying there in nature, if they are just lying and they are not turned into these things, these are just some examples. So are these raw materials useful? सीमेंट भी, इसमें सीमेंट एज इट इज नॉट गिवन टू अस बाय नेचर. बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं जिनसे सीमेंट बनता है. क्रूड ऑयल एज इट इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम द अर्थ, तो उसी तरह से हम उसको यूज नहीं कर सकते. आयरन ओर जिस तरह से हमें मिलती है, हम उसको उसी तरह से यूज नहीं कर सकते. गोल्ड जिस तरह से हमें और में मिलता है, गोल्ड ओर, हम उस तरह से उसको यूज नहीं कर सकते. तो दीज थिंग्स आर नॉट यूजफुल until unless they are processed and turned into some useful things. So when wood is turned into a bed, so what happens? This wood acquires more usefulness and more value. Wood के logs कहीं पड़े होंगे, हमारे किस काम के हैं? ठीक है, चलाने के होते हैं, पर सबको ये तो नहीं होता कि वुड के लॉग्स पड़े हैं बड़े यूजफुल हैं. दे आर ऑफ नो यूज. आयरन ओर पड़ी है ऐसी, हमारे किसी काम की नहीं है, हम उसको उसी फॉर्म में यूज नहीं कर सकते. सो व्हेन दे आर टर्न्ड इनटू बेड, इट बिकम्स वैल्यूएबल, because then people will buy it, they will pay more money for it than they will for a log of wood or raw iron ore. So when raw materials are processed and turned into more valuable and useful products, then they क्या करेंगे? They will acquire more meaning for us. Now, for turning these raw materials into these finished goods, what has to be done? They think these things have to be manufactured, right? They have to be manufactured. So this is called manufacturing. Actually, this is the definition of manufacturing. That the process of changing raw material into more useful products and valuable products on a large scale is called manufacturing. Because when अब एक इंडस्ट्री होगी ना जहाँ पे ये मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की जाएगी, घरों में तो नहीं हम ये कर सकते. जब एक हम इंडस्ट्री को सेटअप करेंगे, उसमें मशीन्स लगाएंगे, तो क्या होगा? अ लॉट ऑफ मनी इज नीडेड, अ लॉट ऑफ मनी इज इन्वेस्टेड इन डूइंग दैट. सो उसमें हमें क्या करना होगा? जो भी इन्वेस्टर है उसको प्रॉफिट भी तो लेना है. तो सिर्फ 4-5 बेड बनाकर या 4-5 उसमें गोल्ड नेकलेस बना के, 4-5 बाइक बना के तो काम नहीं चलेगा. तो दैट production or that manufacturing has to be done on a large scale. So only then the industries will be set up. 2-4 चीजों के लिए इंडस्ट्री सेटअप नहीं होती है. So what is manufacturing? The process of changing raw materials into more valuable products on a large scale is called manufacturing, right? So that was manufacture. What is manufacturing? Now where is this manufacturing done? Naturally in the industries. So those industries where these raw materials are converted into valuable products on a large scale, they are known as manufacturing industries. ऐसी इंडस्ट्रीज जहां पर रॉ मटेरियल्स को ज्यादा वैल्यूबल ऑब्जेक्ट्स में, प्रोडक्ट्स में चेंज किया जाता है, कन्वर्ट किया जाता है, एंड ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल, दोज इंडस्ट्रीज आर known as manufacturing industries.